up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I am finally back. This channel is not called Mark 6D anymore. I do not have the GTI anymore, as you guys know from my previous video when I had the Honda Civic Si. Now the name is WRX. Alright, yes, I have a Subaru WRX 2017. It is the base model. But I am excited to show you guys the car. So I'm actually going to get my hair cut soon, so we're gonna head outside. I'm gonna show you guys and show you guys a cold start too. So let's go. Leaving now, and here she is. But the car is still beautiful. And I really just love this car. So now I'm gonna let you guys hear the cold start. And this car is completely stock. Alright, just be mindful of that. The car is completely stock, as you can hear. There's a nice little idle to it. But yeah, and then you guys saw that the windows were completely tinted, so that was probably the only thing that I did to this car so far. And it is freezing out here, man. It is freezing where I live right now. But other than that, I'm just glad to finally be back on the channel and really tell you guys how much I love this car and show you guys. So I've had it for a couple months now, and it's treated me right. It's probably the best car that I've driven out of all the cars that I've had. Oh, let's not get YouTube strikes. New gun album. Alright, so as I'm letting the car warm up, let me just give you guys a recap of the past 2 years. So basically, as you guys remember, I started off with the Mark 6 GTI. It was 2011. It was stage 2, stratified tune. It was straight piped. It was loud as hell, as you guys saw in one of my most popular videos. But after that, the car's transmission went out. So first it was the engine. I rebuilt the engine, and then the DSG transmission went out. And after that, I was just like, I'm done. All right, because I couldn't afford it. It was just too much money to be putting out. Then what I just did was I got a more reliable car. I got a Honda Civic Si. It was a 2017. It was a 4-door. I think one of the biggest mistakes I made was just buying the 4-door. I should have bought the 2-door coupe. I probably would have had more passion in building that car. But I didn't really have the passion in building that Honda Si, so I kept it stock. I had it for about a couple months, and then I decided to switch it up again. Because I wanted to go back to a automatic. I wanted to start driving an automatic again. And then I realized I didn't want to drive an automatic once I test drove the Audi A3 that I wanted. It just didn't feel right, you know, comfort wise. I just didn't feel like it was my type of car. So I wanted either an STI or a WRX. The STIs were just too expensive at the time when I was looking at cars, and I was just like, you know what, I can't do this right now. I can't afford it right now. So even the WRXs were expensive, but I luckily found this one, and the day I found it online is the day that I actually went and bought the car. I drove it off the lot. It was an amazing car. It had 68,000 miles. It's 2017. The mileage is a little high, but I'm all good with it because it's been treating me right. Maintenance wise, the car is great. I've taken care of the car so far, but no modifications. The car is bone stock, and I actually want to start modifying it slowly but surely. So by hopefully next week, I'll start modifying it. I'll start off by, you know, starting off with the exhaust, because I just like the sound of a loud car. You know, I drove my friend's STI last week, and it sounded amazing. Like, his STI sounded so great. He had a stage 2 clutch, so it was a little harder. It was kind of hard to drive at first, but it was an amazing experience, and it got the juices flowing again for me getting ready to modify this car. So I'm hoping that you guys are gonna stick around for the journey. You guys can follow me on TikTok as well for my journey. Follow me on Instagram. My name will be WRX Sidi, so WRX SIDI, and just follow my journey. It's gonna be fun, and I'm just glad to be showing you guys the content again. It's very exciting. We're gonna get ready to head to our appointment soon. But yeah, I'll just continue to show you guys the car, and then we'll do a drive around video where I'll actually drive the car, and you guys can listen to the sound of the car and the exhaust once I get the exhaust done. But other than that, I appreciate you guys for coming along and clicking on the video. New content is coming very, very soon. So we're gonna get the exhaust done. We're gonna get a brand new intake, cold air intake. I'm not sure about tunes yet or anything, but you guys will love the content that I'm gonna put out. So thank you guys for jumping in. Make sure to subscribe. I will be posting weekly content, all right? So a video a week, or maybe 2 videos a week. But hit the subscribe button, share with a friend, and thank you guys for coming along. I'll see you soon. So I'm gonna give you guys a better view of the car, just a quick look around. When I first got the car, some lady actually hit my car, and as you can see, there are some scratches here. I haven't gotten it fixed yet because I've been lazy, but don't mind me, I'll get it fixed. But quick look around the car. Pretty dirty because of the snow. Recently snowed here, but in the snow, the car has been amazing. As you can see, the tints are pretty dark too. I have, so what is this, 15% and then 30% here. So yeah, I'm just gonna give it a quick clean, interior clean. That's about it.